On this topic, we're going to be talking about rotating a figure and finding the angle. In other words, how many degrees do you have to rotate it in order to match up or get to where they want you to get in the question? So in this particular example, they want to know how many degrees if this octagon is rotated clockwise, so that vertex Z will be moved to vertex W. So what we have to do is imagine that this is a full circle, and they talk about inscribing the polygon in a circle. Inscribed in a circle just means that every vertex is on the circle. That's it. So when we rotate it, we're kind of going around this circle. So what you need to realize is that a rotation all the way around a full circle is 360 degrees. Since there are 8 sides, we're going to divide by 8. So every time you rotate Z onto one other vertex, it's going to go 45 degrees. Well, we're going to be moving it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So 5 times 45 is 225. So let's look at our example. So we have 10. So in other words, it's has 10 sides. Point A is at the top of the dial. Suppose the dial is turned clockwise until point D. How many degrees does the dial have to turn? Okay, so we're turning it clockwise until D is at the top. So in other words, now we have to read this carefully so we can kind of visualize. At first, I thought it was A to D, but it's actually not. What we're doing is we're taking D and moving it to the top. So we're going to be moving it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. And so we need to figure out how many degrees for each turn. And it's 360 all the way divided by 10 sides. So that's 36 degrees. Now we went, what did I say? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have to do 36 times 7. I'll just go over here to the Desmos calculator so I can make sure I'm not making any mistakes. 36 times 7, 252 degrees. Then we'll type that in, check our answer, and then we'll get to do a couple more. So what we have here is the hand of a clock below is pointing at the 1. Suppose that the hand moves clockwise until it points at the 4. So we're actually moving this to the 4. How many degrees does the hand move? So we're divided into 12. So we have 360 divided by 12. 12 goes into 36. So 30 for each time. And it moved 1, 2, 3. So 90 degrees. Okay, and that's the end of the lesson. Good luck, and I hope this helps.